In a pumpkin shell, shadows loom. A Halloween treat from the witch's room. Scoop out the flesh with a ghostly cheer. Kids gather round with whispers of fear. Spray the pan with a misty haze. Onions sizzle in the eerie blaze. 1 minute passes, the flames rise higher. Butternut and potato join the fire. Add some stock, to depths descend. Garlic and spices, a wicked blend. 5 and 20 minutes in the bubbling brew. Blend it smooth, a potion new. Pour the soup in a pumpkin bright. Top with fromage frais, a spectral trace, and sliced chilies for a devilish taste.